You bought a snake plant. You placed it in low light. You followed the label. And it still started dying. Here's the truth, most low-light plant problems have nothing to do with light. Today, I'll break down the 6 real reasons low-light plants struggle in apartments and how to fix each one. Because low-light tolerant doesn't mean indestructible. Mistake number 1, confusing low light with no light. Low light does not equal zero light. Plants still need ambient daylight, window-reflected brightness, and a basic day-night cycle. If you can't comfortably read a book in that corner without turning on lights, it's probably too dark for a plant. Photosynthesis doesn't stop in low light. It just slows down. If light levels drop below the survival threshold, the plant slowly starves. Fix: move plants within 3 to 8 feet of a window, or rotate them periodically. Mistake number 2, overwatering in low light. This is the number 1 killer. Low light equals slower evaporation, slower root activity, and longer moisture retention. In bright light, soil may dry in 7 to 10 days. In low light, it may take 3 to 4 weeks. But many people still water weekly. Result? Root rot. If the soil smells sour or feels cold and constantly wet, watering frequency is too high. Fix: always check soil 2 to 3 inches deep before watering. No schedule watering. Mistake number 3, wrong pot and drainage. Low-light plants are extremely sensitive to trapped moisture. A common apartment issue is using a beautiful decorative pot with no drainage hole. Water accumulates at the bottom, and roots suffocate. Even snake plants can't tolerate that long term. Fix: use nursery pots with drainage inside your decorative containers. Mistake number 4, temperature stress. Apartments fluctuate more than people realize. Winter heaters, AC vents, cold drafts near windows. Low light already reduces plant energy production. Add temperature stress, and recovery becomes difficult. Most common case, peace lilies near heating vents in winter. Leaves brown at the edges. Not from light, from dry air. Fix: keep plants away from direct heat sources. Mistake number 5, expecting fast growth. Low-light plants grow slowly. That's normal. Many beginners panic when new leaves are smaller, growth pauses, or the plant looks the same for months. Slow growth does not mean dying. In fact, stable slow growth is a sign the plant is adapting. Low light reduces chlorophyll production efficiency, so the growth rate adjusts. It's survival mode, not failure. Mistake number 6, ignoring dust on the leaf surface. In apartments, dust accumulates fast. Dust blocks light absorption, especially in low light conditions. In bright sun, this is minor. In low light, it matters more. Fix: wipe leaves gently once every 3 to 4 weeks. It improves light efficiency immediately. Instead of guessing, use this quick diagnostic framework. Ask yourself, is there ambient daylight? How long does the soil stay wet? Is there airflow? Is the temperature stable? Is growth stable or declining? If 3 or more answers are problematic, adjust the environment before blaming the plant. If you're serious about building a healthy apartment jungle, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. We don't just recommend plants. We teach you how apartments actually affect them. Low-light plants teach patience. They don't explode with growth. They don't demand attention. They adapt quietly. And in urban living, that kind of resilience fits perfectly. When you understand their rhythm, they thrive with minimal effort. If this helped you troubleshoot your plants, leave a like. Next week, we'll break down how to measure light in your apartment without tools. This is the Urban Leaf. Growing calm in small spaces.